Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. A bit of aviation news this evening. Caribbean-based regional carrier Liat is to cease operations later this month. 90 employees will also be laid off in the process. The carrier, which has been facing financial challenges, shared the decision with staff members in a letter on Tuesday. Liat, which has been in operation for almost 50 years, is funded by a number of regional governments. They have indicated plans to deploy a new iteration of the airline, which connects mainly the Eastern Caribbean. A letter signed by the court-appointed administrator Cleveland Seaforth says the airline will stop flying operations on January 24 this year. Some staff members will be retained to carry out wrapping up operations. The letter also says the company would not be able to make any payment to employees at this time, but Liat has, however, committed to meeting those obligations in the shortest possible time. Now, this has happened at a time where there are continued calls for more investment in regional airlift. And on the heels of one regional carrier winding up service, another is expanding. Inter-Caribbean Airways will commence non-stop flights between Jamaica and Barbados next month. This will be the only non-stop connection between the two gateways. Both Inter-Caribbean and Caribbean Airlines currently offer flights with at least one stop. The airline will use the CRJ 700 jet on the route, which accommodates 70 passengers. The service will begin on February 6. Now, Inter-Caribbean CEO Trevor Sadler says flights will leave Bridgetown to Kingston on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and flights will return to Barbados on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. And to some company news, listed insurance brokers Caribbean Assurance has appointed a new Chief Executive Officer CEO. Shirley Bridgman took up the post effective January 3. Now she replaces Tiana Waldron Gooden, who resigned almost a year ago to become the CEO of restaurant chain Island Grill. Now in 2023, at least 5 senior managers resigned from the insurance brokerage firm. To the foreign currency market now, banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.13. $116.80 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $197.46, while the euro is selling for $173.06. And the JSE index lost 1,061 points today, while the junior market index decreased by 12 points. Among the 37 winners were Berger Paints Jamaica, Paramount Trading Jamaica, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Blue Power Group and First Rock Real Estate Investments. The 49 losers included AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, or parent company Radio Jamaica and Salada Foods Jamaica. 21 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading Friday morning. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.